In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice on Hubstaff. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or managing a team, invoicing is an integral part of managing finances, and Hubstaff makes it straightforward. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, to ensure clarity and ease. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hubstaff website. Once the page loads, you're going to look at the top right corner and click on Sign In. If you haven't signed in already, this is your entry point. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, namely your work email and password. Be sure you type these in correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've filled in your details, you'll click the Sign In button, which will allow you access to your Hubstaff account. Sometimes, upon logging in, you'll encounter a pop-up. Don't worry, this is routine. If you see this, you can simply close it or click OK. This minor detour shouldn't disrupt your workflow, and soon we'll be right where we need to be. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel on the screen. Here you'll notice various options, but for today, click on Financials. This section houses all of your financial tools, making it our next stop for invoice creation. From the Financials section, your next click should land on Invoices. Once here, you're essentially in the home stretch of our journey. The action now revolves around clicking on New Invoice. This is where the real magic begins as we start crafting your invoice. A list of clients will appear, and you're going to select the appropriate client for this invoice. If the client isn't already listed, don't fret. You can add a new client by entering the required details. It's quite intuitive and guides you on the necessary information to input. For the invoice itself, details are key. You'll need to fill in specifics such as the description of the service or product, the total hours worked, and the unit price. These bits of information ensure transparency and accuracy, which are both crucial for maintaining good client relations. If there's more than one item to list on the invoice, feel free to add multiple entries. Hubstaff provides an option to input as many items as needed, allowing for comprehensive and detailed invoicing. Once all the details have been entered, your invoice is ready to be processed. Click on Save and Send to proceed with sending your invoice to the client. A pop-up will appear for confirmation. Simply click Send, and your newly created invoice will be on its way. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent out an invoice using Hubstaff. This process not only ensures accuracy, but also streamlines your accounting tasks. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a refresher. Happy invoicing!